Alex, the one thing I would love to see in a vehicle, a self-cleaning car.
You know what, Charles? That's a great idea, but that's in the future. This is what we have right now. The 2022 Chrysler Pacifica comes with a stow and vac system. It's really cool. Let me show you how it works. Step one, you gotta make sure the vehicle is running. And then you gotta come over here, and it's super easy. Press this button, pull the hose out, and you're going. You're vacuuming. Any little mess, it's a breeze. But you also have, behind this little door, you have some attachments. You have a crevice tool and a brush tool. Once you're done vacuuming and everything is all nice and clean, you're gonna wanna empty out the filter. Let me show you. You've got this little door, right? And this little blue notch here, you just twist it all the way to the right, and it comes right out, and there's your filter. Tap that guy out, empty it out. It's all ready to go for your next big cleanup. We also have, back here, a little stowaway extension hose so you can reach the front seat. And that just clips right onto the end of that vacuum there.
Thanks so much, Alex, for showing me this. I guess now I do have a self-cleaning car.
Yeah, absolutely.